Have you ever had a really cool idea that you wanted to share with people, or you were really excited to start a business and then felt discouraged after you kind of did a little bit more research or checked into it because you realized, well, dang, everyone's doing this? You may think that everyone's doing this idea or this business because A, those are the kind of friends that you hang out with. If you're wanting to be a holistic nutritionist or a massage therapist or whatever, those are the kind of people that you attract in your life. B, your Google Analytics are telling you that. So what you're searching up, that's what the internet is showing you. Also, if we have an idea, then all of a sudden we notice that idea everywhere because that's what we're thinking about. That's what our subconscious picks up. It's actually so beneficial that people have had these ideas already and are doing stuff, because then you can check out their work, see what you like, see what you don't, you can get ideas from them. And if you want to go the step further, then you can actually contact them, and who knows, maybe you can start a product together or do some video series. The chances are that they have a following, you might have a following of some sort, and then you can give each other shout outs and you can share that following. Your competitors are now your collaborators. That's what we want. That's the ticket. That's totally what Bernie Sanders talks about too, with politicians and the media separating people rather than coming together. When we feel jealous that our friends have a really cool business and we're really careful with our money and we're like, well, maybe I won't purchase one of your products. I really have to think about it. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get this at Walmart or something. I just don't get it. Human psychology is so fascinating. This is the message that I wanted to leave with you today, that our competitors are our collaborators. When we realize that, we're gonna grow in quantum leaps. Just saying. If you have an idea, it's probably for a reason, because you're meant to share this. There are a lot of people that have ideas, but very few act on them. It's your curation of content that makes you different. The world isn't looking for perfect art. We want your art in its human, perfectly imperfect state. So comment below, share this video, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm loving all the encouragement, and thank you so much. Encourage artists whenever you can, because only good things come from it. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.